Hello, in front of me I've got Attack Shark X85. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. In the beginning, take a look at the top right corner of your keyboard. Right here we've got this knob. Thanks to this knob you can not only change RGB brightness, but also you can change volume of the PC. Next, press and hold Fn button, and next press F12 for volume plus, F11 for decrease volume, and F9 to mute or unmute PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.